Hello everyone, welcome to the session again. This is DPP2 part 2. First DPP I have already uploaded, so you can refer it from there. So we'll start the topic tissues from Homi Baba book class 6. So let's start. First question. Cells which do not divide further and become specific in their work are called. They are called permanent cell. The cells which do not divide further are known as permanent cell, but the cells which divide further and give rise to new cells, they are known as meristematic. Okay, and simple and complex tissues are something different. So this is not the answer, and our answer to the first question is permanent cell. Okay, next question. Cells which divide continuously are called meristematic, as discussed in first question. Third question is xylem and phloem tissues are. Xylem and phloem tissues are the complex but permanent tissues. Okay, they are complex. Now why see option C. Okay, now why complex? Complex permanent tissues, because these are the tissues. Xylem and phloem are the tissues which are made up of different kind of cell, and simple permanent tissues means they are made up of simple means only one type of cell. But xylem and phloem are made up of many different type of cell, like cell A, cell B, cell C. This comprise of one xylem, and then cell P, Q, R. These comprise of phloem. So these xylem and phloem comprise of different kinds of cells. Okay, so xylem and phloem are complex tissues. Understood? Let me erase this. Next question is xylem is to water, then phloem is to what? In this question, you have to find out the relationship between these two terms. Now, what is the relationship between xylem and water? The relationship is that xylem conducts water. So, we have to find out what does phloem conduct. It conducts food. So, our answer should be food. In this type of questions, particularly ratio and proportion 1, you need a deep understanding of that topic, and this question demands that when we see two dots here, it does mean that the first word and the second word, what is the relationship between them, that you have to find. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Fifth question. Which hormone is responsible for growth of plant? So the answer is auxin, and this is clearly mentioned in your book. Okay, let's start with the next question. Question 6. Growth of plant is seen in which part? Growth of plant is seen in which part? This question tells us is asking about the location of meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. So where is this meristematic tissue present? It is present in root tip also, it is present in shoot tip also, it is present in stem also. So the answer is all of this, and this too. This question is also taken from your textbook, so you should know it very clearly. So the answer is all of this. Now this is quite interesting question. Mark the axillary bud. You should know what is axil. Axillary bud means it grows in axil. Now what is axil? When you draw the stem, this is stem, and this one is branch. Okay, let me draw it like a branch. It's looking like leaf. This one is branch. Okay, so this position between these two is known as axil. So the bud which grows between this position, that is in axil, is known as axillary bud. So we have to find this position. Okay, now which position can you find it? It is obviously A. See, between this and this, can you find it? Yes. So A marks the axillary bud. So your answer is A. Okay, your answer is A. The next is tendon to bone. Tendon joins what? I have told you a trick in the class, that MTB and MTB. Okay, this is the trick. So M means muscle, B means bones, and T means tendon. So tendon join what? Tendon joins muscle to bone. Muscle. Where is the question? Answer muscle to bone. Okay, muscle to bone. So the answer is option B. Fine. Next question is question number 9. Cartilage connects bone to bone, and tendons connect muscle to bone. Let's take an example of this biceps. This is bone and this is muscle. Okay, this is muscle. Now and this one is also bone. Let's assume this is also bones. Okay, so the thing which connects bone to bone is cartilage, but the thing which connects muscle to bone here, it is tendon. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the question number 10. Here we are on the question number 10, last question of this JPP. Voluntary cells. Voluntary cells are present, voluntary tissue is present in skeletal part. Okay, skeletal part includes legs and hands. So our answer to this is second one. Okay, this legs voluntary. Next one is involuntary. Involuntary means the tissues which are not under our control. Involuntary. So which one is not under our control? You might say heart and stomach both. But see the option, see the C1, cardiac. Cardiac obviously means heart only. So it is no doubt one only. So the remaining option is stomach. So your answer for this question will be A, voluntary 2. Then involuntary B should be 3, and C, cardiac, it should be 1. And remember one thing, that heart is only another name of cardiac organ, that is heart only. Okay, so here we complete our DPP discussion. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more latest updates and videos. Thank you.